All right, guys, we are at the finals for the Burnout Nationals. We're up on top of the big trailer here, getting a good sight of what's going on. We got the El Camino all getting ready to go out. Got the flag on there, colored tires. We're gonna send it. We're last this time instead of first. We're 24th. So last time I had to set the pace for everybody. Now I'm gonna show them how it's done at the end of the show. So you guys will see what's going on. And here's some more burnouts. All right, we just crossed the border. We're in Florida here. Jacksonville. We're in Jacksonville, I think. So, got the truck parked, trailer parked, hard parked in here. Hopefully nobody blocks me in. But we were coming down 95, and I heard leaking some air. Blew a tire about 10 miles out, and couldn't really feel it. Had Dad checking for me, just driving by at like 65 miles an hour. He missed diag, didn't see it. So we got a flat tire. We have 2 spares with us, so we'll throw those on, or that on in the morning. I'm going to find a local tire shop down here, order another Hercules tire, because we like the Hercules tire. Put it on and be back on the road. For now, we're just going to throw the spare on it, get that rocking and rolling. But for now, we haven't showered in 2 days, and we feel gross after burnouts and stuff. So We're gonna go scrub where we need to scrub and put the kids in the tub. Welcome to Florida. We got a flat tire. We gotta fix it. So, if you look right here, got a rock in the tire. What is it, Gregor? You don't know? What's it feel like?
I can't do it out.
Oh, you can't? All right. So we're gonna try to drive the truck onto the weights for our canopy. Who knows if this will work?
Come here, Gregor. I don't want one of those weights to shoot out. Good. That was a good show. Hang on. Back up a little. Good. A little bit more. Good. Try it.
Yep. Put the bottom in first, please. Don't hit me with that.
Gregor, you ready?
Yeah. Okay, put the air in there.
No, we gotta tighten it down first.
Ah,
Get the gun.
okay.
Grab it.
Not going. Not going.
You ready? Here we go.
Let's do it.
Good. Good. Faster. Okay,
Squeeze it
faster.
hard, Gregor.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze it hard.
Squeeze it. Harder. Good. Over here.
You got the gun facing the wrong way. Turn it up.
Other way.
Squeeze it.
Wait, okay, go.
Squeeze it.
Good. Another one.
Squeeze it hard.
No, you can't. Go ahead.
Squeeze it hard, Gregor.
Here.
Squeeze it.
Keep going.
Well, guys, we made it to our VRBO down in Florida. We're actually right in Bradenton. How far are we? 20 minutes?
20 minutes from the track.
15, 20 minutes from the track. So we're all settled in here for the most part. Had to run over to the Walmarts and get some cleaning supplies so we can clean the tow vehicle, the trailer. Dad's got to continue washing the front bumper because he missed the spot here.
I didn't do it yet.
And the mirror.
Ain't got no water.
See if Andrew can put that song in here. You know that song. Working at the car wash, yeah. So, the worst part about all of this car wash stuff that we bought is, as you guys know, I own a couple businesses, Generations Auto Repair and Fat Boys Customs. Fat Boys Customs stocks like everything for cleaning supplies and chemicals and all that stuff. Cleaning buckets, so the whole 9 yards, scrub brushes, extendable scrub brushes, standard length, long, soft, coarse, whatever you want. We didn't bring any of them. We ended up spending $100 and something getting car wash stuff, so we're gonna clean up the trailer. Probably won't finish cleaning the trailer tonight. Truck is clean. Got to shine up the tires a little bit. And we got to clean the Ranger down there. And the golf cart. Then we're good. We're good to go. There should be enough soap in there. Trailer is filthy. It doesn't look it, but it is. You want me to wash you too?
Huh?
Well, here it looks like you're sweating right through. Give him the old scrub. Alright guys, it is Tuesday morning down in Bradenton. Last night Dad and I stayed up, washed the truck and the trailer. So that's all shined up, nicey nice. This morning, got the golf cart all cleaned up, shined up the tires. Took the Ranger out, washed that. Found our spare for the left side of the Ranger. Valve stem is bad, so we gotta find some place to fix that and hopefully get a spare tire for our trailer. But we're ready to rock and roll. The wife's cleaning the truck out right now. We're gonna go drop the trailer off. It doesn't quite fit in our Airbnb and we can't get in and out, so we'll drop that off and go to the beach. Alright guys, we're at, where are we? RJ Gators in Bradenton, Florida. And Dad thinks that he can drink this beer in 10 seconds or less. 8. He says 8. Now, give a little backstory. You used to be able to do a 6-pack?
I could do a 6-pack of Moosehead out of bottles in 30 seconds.
30 seconds for a 6-pack? Unopened, right?
Huh?
No, they were open. Oh, they were open.
They were open, ready for me to go.
Alright, so get right with whoever you gotta get right
That was
with.
a long time ago. I was a wee young lad.
So,
But I still got a fat belly, so.
But he survived the jungle. So.
you did survive the jungle.
I survived the
Survived the
jungle.
jungle. Alright.
8 seconds.
8 seconds on the dot. Well, he survived the jungle, survived the beer. He pretty much can survive anything now. That's that, guys. Alright, so the real MVP right here. Andrea. Making up the video because I don't know how to do that. And I'm trying to help, and I'm no help. I'm no help. Mom's got her cat pajamas on. Check them out. Pretty cool. So go over, hit the like, subscribe, notification button so we can get some more likes, subscribes, notifications. Comment too. And that's that. See you guys next time.